How to flip a camera in Omegle. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to flip a camera in Omegle. To flip the camera in Omegle, you need to open up the omegle.com official website. After getting into its site, click to start video chat from here. Then, click to tick the checkboxes of age restriction and click to confirm and continue. And as you can see, the video starts. Also, you can see the camera is recording now. To flip the camera, you need to click on video icon from the search bar. After that, click to manage your camera and microphone. Then, it will take you to site settings. Scroll down in site settings and click on the camera option from here. To flip the camera, you need to change the video camera feature from here. You can choose the option of your laptop or PC. Then, you will be able to flip the camera. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.